Hello and welcome to InstaForex Economic News TV channel with me, Tahmina Salomova. You are watching the currency and commodity market review for the last week. The US dollar was mixed on Friday. The American currency lost momentum as the US non-farm payrolls data disappointed investors. The greenback advanced against the commodity currencies, edging high against the Swiss franc, but was low against the Japanese yen and the euro. The pound sterling deserves a special mention as positive Brexit rumors pushed it 0.61% high against the USD. Last week saw the pound open trading against the US dollar on Monday at a level of 1.3037, but still closed a high exchange rate of 1.3073 on Friday. Sterling's recovery came from news about Brexit. Prime Minister Theresa May said UK negotiator would continue talks with their EU counterparts. GBP USD gained further after EU leaders suggested that Brexit talks could be concluded in a matter of weeks. At the same time, the euro versus American dollar pair was flat on Friday, hit of the long weekend in the United States, but lost almost 100 points on the week, closing at 1.1524. The US currency was supported by Fed member speech that continued to support a fourth rate hike in 2018. Friday's morning brought the release of September non-farm payrolls number out of the United States, and the headline number was not strong at 134,000 versus an expectation for 185,000. The internals of the report were better, with unemployment rate at a near 50-year low of 3.7% and average earnings at 0.3% for the month, or 2.8% analyzed. Meanwhile, Bitcoin rose against the US dollar on Friday as high as $6,641. Like most cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin is an unpredictably volatile asset and sometimes experiences huge ranges in its price over very short periods of time. That is all about the current tendencies on forex. As to the commodity market, crude futures stabilized on Friday after a volatile week. US unemployment data eased concerns about demand in the world's top oil consumer heat over US sanctions. Deadline on Iranian oil exports was behind such moves. Both crude benchmarks tallied a fourth weekly advance in a row. WTI rose by 1.5%, while Brent strengthened by 1.7%. November Brent crude oil futures ended low at $84.16 a barrel. Last Wednesday, the global benchmark hit a late 2014 high of $86.74. November West Texas Intermediate crude futures settled at $74.34 a barrel. It reached an early four-year high of $76.90 on Wednesday. In gold trades, the precious metal lodged the first gain in 3 sessions on Friday in the wake of the US jobs monthly report. December gold futures rose by $4 to $1,205.60 an ounce. The metal finished by 0.8% higher last week based on the most active contracts. You have been watching the weekly currency and commodity market review on InstaForex TV. It was presented to you by me, Tahmina Salomova. Have a great day. Goodbye.